Hi everyone, my name is Christy at Castle and Compass Adventures, and welcome to my channel where I bring you adventures in Disney and on cruise ships. And today we celebrate the Disney adult with a trip to Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jiko, and the gift shop. Come on and join me. Welcome to Animal Kingdom Lodge, where Disney magic meets luxury and adventure. Today we're embracing Disney adulting, taking a break from the parks to enjoy some of the best dining, drinking, and shopping this resort has to offer. But we're not just staying indoors, we'll explore the incredible grounds and wildlife that make this place one of a kind. First, let's start at the Victoria Falls Bar. This hidden gem offers a great spot to unwind with a unique selection of drinks and stunning views of the savannah. Whether you're looking for a refreshing cocktail like the Boma Mule or a relaxing glass of wine, Victoria Falls is the perfect spot to enjoy the beauty of the resort and the sights of African wildlife just steps away. And today we chose the Cape Town Collins and the Spice Route Flight, which includes one Pinot Noir, a red blend, and a Pinotage. And a quick tip, if you arrive early, around 5 p.m., don't miss Boma's opening dining celebration. And when you're done with the celebration, head on down to Jiko, where African-inspired cuisine and world-class dining awaits. And another couple of quick tips: if you're an annual pass member, you can make a reservation which gets you on the premises to park at Animal Kingdom Lodge. If you're staying on property and you don't have a reservation, head on over to the bar where they'll seat you and you can eat dinner right there at the bar. Jiko brings the flavors of Africa right to your plate. The vibrant decor, the unique dishes, and the carefully selected wine list makes it the perfect spot for an unforgettable meal. From the tender oak grilled filet mignon to the spicy South African bobotie, Jiko offers a true taste of Africa that will transport your taste buds straight to the heart of the continent. And tonight we decided to get the carrot soup, the giraffe bread, which is something not to miss, the Jiko salad with some shrimp as an accompaniment, and the short rib. After dinner, we took a stroll around the grounds to see what the resort had to offer in terms of nature and wildlife. Animal Kingdom's Lodge isn't just a place to stay, it's a place to experience the wonders of Africa right from your resort room. Here we're at one of the resort's stunning water features, home to a vibrant group of flamingos. These beautiful pink birds are a highlight for any guest who take a walk around the grounds. We even got to see some of the babies that just hatched earlier in the year. The flamingos are known for their striking color, and the ones here at Animal Kingdom Lodge are certainly a sight to behold. Be sure to pause and take in their beauty as they gracefully move throughout the water. Just beyond the flamingo habitat, we find the sprawling savannah. Here you see giraffes, zebras. Whether you're enjoying a drink at the bar or just taking a peaceful walk, the savannah views provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation. It's like being on an African safari without ever leaving the Disney property. And just around the corner, we have another beautiful scene, the pelicans. These large, graceful birds glide through the water, adding even more wildlife to the resort's vibrant atmosphere. Our trip is never complete without a visit to Catch, Junior, and Slash. Now let's end our Disney adulting adventure at the Zawadi Marketplace, where you can find one-of-a-kind African-inspired arts, jewelry, and gifts. Zawadi Marketplace is a treasure trove of souvenirs that capture the spirit of Africa. And whether you're picking up a hand-carved wooden mask or a colorful textile, you're sure to find something special to take home. Whether you're enjoying a cocktail, dining in style, shopping for unique finds, or exploring the wildlife, Animal Kingdom Lodge is the perfect place for Disney adulting. It's an experience that blends relaxation, adventure, and Disney magic all into one incredible resort. Thanks for joining us today on the Disney Adulting Adventure. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Disney fun. See you next time.